First car? Here's how to keep it running smoothly. Getting your first car is a huge milestone. It brings freedom and independence. But with this newfound responsibility comes the need for regular maintenance to keep your car running smoothly. Whether you're cruising around town or commuting to school or work, these tips will help ensure your ride stays reliable and safe. 1. Regular oil changes. Think of motor oil as the lifeblood of your car's engine. It keeps all the moving parts lubricated and prevents the engine from overheating. Over time, oil breaks down and becomes less effective, so it's important to change it regularly. How often? Check your car's manual, but a good rule of thumb is every 5 to 7,500 miles. DIY or shop visit? While many drivers prefer to visit a mechanic, changing your own oil is relatively easy and can save you money. Number 2. Check tire pressure. Underinflated tires not only affect your car's performance, but can also be dangerous. Keeping your tires properly inflated will improve fuel efficiency and extend their lifespan. How often? Check tire pressure at least once a month, especially before long trips. Pro tip: most gas stations have air pumps, and your car's recommended tire pressure is usually printed on a sticker inside the driver's side door. 3. Monitor fluid levels. Beyond oil, your car relies on other fluids to function properly, including transmission fluid, brake fluid, and coolant. Low fluid levels can lead to major mechanical issues, so it's important to check and top them off regularly. How often? Make it a habit to check these fluids every few months or before a big trip. Pro tip: keep windshield washer fluid full. Clear visibility is key to safe driving. 4. Keep your battery healthy. A dead battery can leave you stranded. To avoid this, check your car battery's condition regularly and clean off any corrosion around the terminals. Most batteries last 3 to 5 years, so if yours is nearing that age, it may be time for a replacement. How often? Check the battery's charge and condition every 6 months. Pro tip: if your car struggles to start or the lights dim when you crank the engine, it's time to get your battery tested. Number 5. Brake care. Your car's brake system is one of the most important safety features, and maintaining it is essential. Listen for squeaking or grinding noises when braking. These could be signs that your brake pads need to be replaced. How often? Have your brakes inspected at least once a year, or anytime you notice unusual noises or reduced braking performance. 6. Maintain your car's exterior. It might not seem like a big deal, but regularly washing your car helps protect the paint and prevents rust, especially if you live in a region with harsh weather or salty roads. Waxing your car every few months will also help protect the finish. Pro tip: don't forget to clean the undercarriage, as dirt and grime can build up and lead to rust. 7. Don't ignore warning lights. Your car's dashboard warning lights aren't just there for decoration. If a light comes on, don't ignore it. Get it checked out as soon as possible. It could be a minor issue, like a loose gas cap, or something more serious that needs immediate attention. Pro tip: use an OBD2 scanner to check what's wrong with your car when a warning light appears. These scanners are affordable and easy to use. By taking care of your first car with regular maintenance, you'll not only keep it running smoothly, but also avoid costly repairs down the road. A little attention to detail now will help ensure your car remains reliable for years to come. So treat your car right, and it'll treat you right in return. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.